One of my subscriber from Japan, he sent me this Panasonic GX10 Mark II world receiver, and this one has also other model which is called RF 1410L, but he mentioned that it's not fully functional, especially the band switch is not working. Only FM, other bands are not working. I think only the band switch may be because of the time it has a little bit corrosion. So we can open it up and we can see if we can fix it. So in order, I'll use this contact spray which is designed for electronics only, from WD-40, and then we move the switch. If there is a corrosion on the contacts, it will fix it, and then we have a good contacts, and then we'll be able to select the desired band. Okay, we were able to fix the job. We fix it.